Okay, today is the day in which I'm going to continue with the work in my bathroom. This is the part of the bathroom. It's more or less 1.20 meters per 3 meters, 250 actually. And what I'm gonna do today is to clean up all the area. I already prepared the walls with the proper material, which is called Malta in Italian. I don't know the name in English, but it is the type of cement. It's not actually cement totally. It's cement mixed with something else, which allows to keep the surface very not smooth, because it's still not as smooth as it could feel when you actually touch a wall that it's already finished, but leveled enough surface in order to put later on the tiles. What I'm gonna do is to clean the wall area with just not a regular brush, but this brush, which is a little bit harder than the usual brush that we use for the floors. And this is a brush that allows to clean even deeper. With that, I'm going to remove all the powder from the walls, and after that I'm going to apply a layer of membrane, which is a special membrane that is used for bathroom or rooms that are exposed to water. Could also be a kitchen, for example. This layer of membrane is going to protect against any possible hole that could be even micro holes when I later on tile the shower. And then, yeah, that will be the work for today.